Hey YouTube, it's Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. How's it going? Working on the Model A this weekend. Kind of. Chopping the shit out of it. I've got the chassis off the table. I've got the table all taken apart, put up against the wall. And yeah, cycle's good. Everything's welded up. And ready for the body. Well, first fit on the body anyway, so let's have a look at this. Okay, shnikes. I've got this cut out. That's a slot where the axle will fit because it's going to be slammed right on the ground. So you got to make room. So I've left 14 inches from the bottom of the body to the top of the axle, which is half an inch or so more than I'll need. The tough part for me was figuring out exactly where to put that. But this seems like the logical place. Looks like that bolt is the center, and I've cut it just with the zip cut for the straights, and then I use this pneumatic little, I don't know what you call it, reciprocating saw for the radius. And of course there's this inside of there. As you can see on that one, there's a body support that we have to kind of hack around, which makes it fun. And of course, wouldn't be any good if you didn't have to hack right through a bolt head. So making some progress. Cut all this out of the floor earlier this morning. Junk. So basically the floor's gone right out of it, which is pretty typical for the stuff I do. So we're gonna finish cutting that second one out and try to put the body on top of this chassis, so stick around. Okay, well, test fit went okay. Not really. I fucked up. Don't know where. Something went fucking sideways in my brain, and my distance from this transition here to the center of the axle is 4 inches too long for whatever reason. I can't say what went wrong, because if I knew what went wrong, then I would have known and I wouldn't have done it. So, not the end of the world. I'm just going to take 4 inches out of this right here, from this transition back to about here. Boom. Idiot. Oh well, back to work. Okay, well, I've got the frame all shimmed up, clamped into position so it can't flop around and move too much. I got to cut 3 5/8 out of it. I don't know what the fuck went wrong, but I was up all night thinking about it, so I guess you got to do something about it. You can't, whatever. So I've decided to, I've laid out the 3 5/8 on both sides, and I've actually put a scribe line on there with center punches, 2 inches. Oh, where's that? There. I don't know. Fuck, there. 2 inches from each cut line, so that when it goes back together, those center punches should be 4 inches apart. And I'll know that the frame is still straight and square, and I will I'll go back and measure square. Nothing should really move, so it's not the hugest deal, but I guess not everything always goes according to plan. So when you fuck shit up, you got to fix it, or what else are you going to do? So let's start cutting. Okay, well, got the pieces cut out and prepped bevels on the joints. So that's good. I'm about half an hour into this repair right now. Maybe another half an hour into figuring out how I fucked up. Well, never did figure that out. So, but a half an hour into like doing a layout and figuring out how to fix it. So an hour, okay, we're getting there. Now it's just a matter of pushing this thing back into position, checking a few things, checking my 2 inches and my 2 inches, and let's fucking put her back together. Okay, so I've got it all back into position here. Give or take, I'll have to just tweak it a little bit, but got some clamps on there, measured it, we're all good, so I'm going to start tacking. Okay, well, I forgot to start the video, so I'm halfway. Let's just see what happens here. Well, it's on there. I'll have to modify my body notches in the back a little bit. I've got to bring the body 3/4 of an inch back to mate those lines up, that split line and that Sharpie line. Maybe an inch, so I'll have to modify the rear notch. But that's a win. It's basically on the ground. I might have to take out another 1/2 inch to get it right down. Might be touching. It's very close. I'll take out another 1/2 inch for clearance on the top radius, and another inch on the front side so I can move the body back. But honestly, that's kind of a win just to get it there. That's a pre-fit. First time that body's been on that frame, so it'll come off again. I'll weld that repair job completely, add some more fish plates, some more support, and modify the notches on the body a little bit. But I'll take it. So that's the first pre-fit of the flat rat onto the chassis. So a bit of a pain in the ass video. Sometimes you don't always measure right, or whatever the fuck happened there, but that's how shit goes. And I've been doing this a long time, and I fucked it up. So if you fuck shit up, don't feel bad. And I'm not the only one either. Sometimes other people fuck shit up too. So but you just got to keep plugging away at it. You'll always learn something. Hopefully I learned something. I don't know what I learned from this, but it's don't be a dumbass. Don't measure 10 times, measure 11 times. I think I must have had one of my initial dimensions off wrong, and I based everything off of that, and it is what it is, but it's a fairly quick, easy fix, and we're back. So thanks for watching. Like my video, subscribe. Bessie Custom Fab, rock and roll.